Congratulations, Anthony!
Mr. Tirumurti Oduri, Dean Mr. Syed Anwar Kabir, learned member of faculty, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, good morning to you all. Today is a big day in the lives of NBS students who will be receiving testimonials for successfully completing their respective academic programs. My heartiest congratulations to you all. Proud parents, I can see parents and family members and well-wishers. I feel deeply honored to be here amidst you to share your joy and happiness. Most of you will feel today like crossing the threshold from being inside a cocoon of the academic environment to join the hustle of the world as a beautiful butterfly. Male students also feel marks the culmination of years of hard work, discipline and determination by each one of you. But remember, it is also the beginning of a new journey. You will be starting a new journey, one that will demand responsibility, resilience and integrity. As graduates of Nelson Business School, an institution I understand that has earned international credibility in online and distance education and continues to shape business leaders of tomorrow. All of you are going to be business leaders of tomorrow, I would say today onwards on. You carry with you both required skills, knowledge. Now responsibility is on you to prove your mettle. You are stepping into a world that is evolving rapidly, and old and emerging challenges such as intolerance, wars, protectionism, global financial slowdown, and climate change, etc. These changes are taking place at a breakneck speed in all walks of life, whether they pertain to our living environment, the way we trade and do business, or our employment, communications, health, education, and so on and so forth. In the past, all of us will agree, humans had always believed themselves to be in the driving seat. However, in the coming few years, artificial intelligence, neural networks, and other autonomous systems are likely to take away such control from us. It is a situation for at stake. You therefore must foresee and adapt to these changes. Learned people, but still I would like to give a few of advice. Consider it as is not just by what you achieve for yourself, but its true measure is by what you contribute to society. I summarize my morals and empathy. Let us spend a couple of minutes on that. When I say goals, what is a goal? A goal could be defined as an idea of desired result that an individual or society wants to achieve. All of you must be having your individual goals. But when individual goals are in alignment with the societal goals, those nations, those societies do well on all fronts. Therefore, a clear vision, meticulous planning and implementation is necessary until one succeeds. Always plan for a long journey in smaller steps. These kind of detailings, as an Indian, we forget, but it is very important.
Bushra Bushra Shravani. All right, all of you take your graduation hands in your hands. Come on. It's time for showing some voice. And if people can also come up in front, come ahead. I have some people at the back. I request all of you all.
Yes, yes, here everybody.
Graduation hands in the air. Wow. That was fantastic.
మన దేశంలో చాలామంది ఎడ్యుకేషన్ క్వాలిటీ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ కోసం ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్లో అడ్మిషన్ చేసుకున్నారు. ఇప్పుడు డిస్టెంట్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ ఆన్లైన్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ ఒక మాధ్యమం ఉంది, చాలా సశక్త మాధ్యమం ఉంది. సో ఆల్ గ్రాడ్యుయేట్స్కి నేను నా తరఫు నుంచి ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్ తరఫు నుంచి శుభాకాంక్షలు ఇస్తాము. ధన్యవాదాలు.
Today it's a convocation day. You're getting all the certificates for all your dedication and efforts that you put in. So getting the certificate is not alone a great thing, but it depends a lot on what you try. Working, congratulations. This is going to help you out. So those who are in between the jobs or not having, keep trying. You'll be successful someday, and that's the most important thing at this time. Well, you have studied at Nelson Business School, which is an online distant education. So it is not something that you lacking the classroom kind of education. So you will get instead now the recent trends, you get more education, and you have cell phones, you have other media where you can get more information. So now that you have the certificate, now you have to educate yourself, confine yourself to wherever you're working, dedicated your efforts, and take the values, show your dedication even when you're working. And those people who are not, congratulations, you will soon be getting it with this with the help of this certificate. In case if you need assistance, we will help you in the placement. So congratulations to all of you, and great effort. Thank you very much.